What's up, Cardano holders? So welcome to another brand video of Cardano, my friends. Today I have a very good news because my brother, in last 24 hours finally Cardano will starting moving upwards. So I am so happy because I am also holder of Cardano, and definitely when the price will starting increasing, so that's mean my friends to holder are starting holding, investing more and more. So therefore the price is going to be up now. My brother, and previous days, absolutely Cardano were very badly falls down. The price will falls down, my friend, from 3 USD dollar to 2.12 USD dollar just in only in this month, my brother. But remember, holders, to win a coin will falls down. So definitely to after a short phase, definitely they will take a very huge jump now. So this same thing, my friend, I already tell you, my friend, in my previous video, but today I have very special and very good update, my friend, for all of you. Now the good update is that, my friends, to the price will starting increasing, and that's mean, my friends, today will give you a profit. And absolutely in every video I will tell you this, my friends, to in the last 10 days of every month every coin will pumps up. So therefore, my friends, absolutely this coin will also starting moving upward. But second thing, my friends, which I note, and this time two holders are doing very huge mistake. Today are starting they are starting selling, especially short term investor, my friends, when they see a huge profit. So definitely they will starting selling without any information, without any update, my friends. See, but I have update, my friends, to an upcoming time. The CEO of Cardano definitely, my friends, tell us to upcoming time we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore I notify all of you, my friends, to if they will collaborate with a lot of companies, so the price will going to be double now, and they will make you millionaire now. So please don't stand starting selling, hold it. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe, my friend, my channel for more this type prediction video. This is just update video. I hope you will like it, and please, if you like, then subscribe and like video.